Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So now again I have brought another very useful video for all you guys. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do it fast, because every day I am providing you complete information on IP admissions, on DU admissions and everything. So in this video I'm going to tell you that today only, means of 9th of October, there is a webinar being organized by the Delhi University for undergraduate merit based admissions for the session 2021. So at 3 p.m. this webinar will be conducted. This is very important information for all of you, because many of you are facing so much problem in filling your forms and so many things. So this webinar is going to be conducted for the same thing. So today at 3 p.m. all of you have to attend this webinar. It will be provided live on Facebook. So live streaming will be there at Facebook. So all of you, what you have to do, actually you have to go to Facebook and you have to open the Facebook.du admissions branch page. You have to open the page DU admission branch on Facebook, and there you will be able to attend this webinar. So actually the university has already arranged so many webinars earlier also. Since last year they were all offline, but now because of this COVID situation it will be held online only. So I think that will be good for all of you. So now you can see that the admission procedure has already been very much online, and verification of documents, everything is going on online only. So now what will be the benefit of attending this webinar? Because here you will be provided complete guidance related to calculation of marks, selection of your courses and colleges, your payment of fees and change of course or college. So if you are facing any such doubts, you should definitely attend this webinar. And once the students will select their desired course on the portal, the respective colleges will go through the online applications and they will either accept them or reject the applications, right? So those accepted ones will be informed of the payment and subsequent procedures. So in this way all information will be provided to all of you. And one more thing, that it is very much necessary for all of you to attend this online webinar. And DU cutoffs will be released very soon. They may be released tomorrow also. They may be released after 1-2 days. So as I have already made videos, you can check them in my DU playlist. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do it fast, because we will provide you complete guidance. And yes, like the video.